Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a quick hack that we are going to try with the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch. So as you can see right here, I got it hooked up to a couple of things. This is a USB Type-C hub. This is a HDMI cable that's running into that, and I'm going to try and see if we can bypass our Apple TV altogether now and just connect this straight from here to a monitor using only the hub and the HDMI cable. So let's check this out. So as you can see right here, I have the iPad, I have it plugged into this, and I have this plugged in to this. I'm going to take my monitor and let me get a good view of it so I can show you. Take my monitor, I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to unplug this, which is my Fire Stick. I'm going to plug this one in. Here we go. Got it plugged in. I'm going to turn this back around and let's see what we get. There's my screen. So my iPad screen, this we can get them both, is popping up on my monitor. Let's see if we turn it. There we go. So this is iPad Pro 11. I'm gonna see if we can even maybe play a game. So which one? Marvel Strike Force. Go. So it does work. So now you can bypass your Apple TV altogether. Get you one of these, pick them up. They run anywhere from like $20 to $50. This one is a Comcare. It's going to run you about $50 on the Amazon store. But just by plugging this up and doing this to your TV or your monitor, you get plug and play with the all new iPad 11-inch Pro. Still buttery smooth. There we go. Everything you need right here in one. So hope this is able to help someone. Please be sure and leave me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe also. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.